Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rahayuningsih from Master of Basic Education, Muhammadiyah University, Purwokerto. On this opportunity, I will present the result of my research about the influence of Palugada learning media on numeration misconception in recognizing numbers and patterns during the preschool elementary school transition period. Numeracy is a field of knowledge that is studied at all levels of education, including early childhood education. Unfortunately, numeracy learning in several preschool institutions often uses drill and paper pencil tests, which seem stiff and monotonous and even tend to put pressure on early childhood. There is a misconception about learning numeracy in early childhood, especially during the preschool elementary school. Numeracy learning in preschool institution should be adapted to the characteristic of early childhood. Learning numeracy needs to be introduced to children in an interesting and fun way. A fun alternative to learning numeracy can be packaged through play activities with various learning media designed to improve children's various numeracy abilities. The Balugada learning media used inspirable from the teacher's ability to convey and learning material so that the teacher's ability greatly influenced children's numeracy abilities. Numeracy learning involves various mathematical processes such as measuring, counting, recognizing number concepts, solving problems, understanding patterns, so that is assumed to make a positive contribution to various aspects of the child's numeracy ability. In this study, researchers used the Palugada learning media as an effort to stimulate children's numeracy skills so that the misconceptions about learning numeracy could be eliminated. Introduction. Students are less interested in numeracy learning activities, especially in recognizing numbers and patterns. Students find it difficult to understand the concept of numbers and patterns. The learning media used to stimulate children's understanding of numeracy during the preschool, elementary school transition period is less diverse. The learning carried out does not attract students' interest in learning. Mirawati and friends cite that learning mathematics for children is a means of developing simple thinking skills that can help children understand several real concepts and is not intended for children to have academic skills immediately. In reality, currently the demands for the mathematics learning in early childhood and carried out by providing drills, activities, and paper pencils tests. Educators must be able to facilitate learning based on the interest of their students who have various levels and developmental attainment and also various potential, and students need learning models that are interesting, fun, and effective. Early childhood cognitive abilities include learning and problem solving, logical thinking, and symbolic thinking. The ability to think symbolically includes mathematical abilities, namely the ability to recognize, mention, and use the concept of numbers, recognize letters, be able to present various objects, and their imagination in the form of image, recognize the concept of numbers, count, and even ability to perform simple arithmetic operation. Research purpose to analyze how numeracy learning is implemented in recognizing numbers and patterns during the preschool elementary school transition period. 2. To find out the extent of the influence of polyglot learning media on numeracy misconception in recognizing numbers and patterns in studying during the preschool elementary school transition period. Definition. Numeracy is the ability to think using on concept, procedure, facts, and mathematical tools to solve everyday problem in various types of contexts that are relevant in life. Numbers are a mathematical concept used in counting and measuring. Symbols or symbols used to represent a number are called number or number symbols. Pattern numeration in the context of kindergarten children usually means introducing to concept of number and number patterns in a simple and fun ways. It is a part of basic mathematics education that helps children understand the concepts of numbers, sequence, and patterns. Research methods. Quantitative correlation research. Quantitative correlation research is research that is intended to determine whether there is a relationship between two or several variables with the aim of detecting of the level of relationship between variations in one factor and variation in other factor based on the correlation coefficient. The correlation used in this research is partial correlation. Result and discussion. The use of polyglot learning media on number numeration abilities has a significant value of 0.048. So, polyglot learning has a significant relationship with numeration abilities. The use of polyglot learning media on patterns numeration abilities also has a significant value of 0.048. So, polyglot learning has a significant relationship with pattern numeration abilities. The connection value of the ability to numerate numbers and patterns has a significance value of 0, which is smaller than 0.05. So numeration ability has a significant relationship with pattern numeration ability. The Pearson correlation value of the polyglot learning media on numeration ability is 0.447. So, the connection between the polyglot learning media and numeration ability is said to have a strong and positive relationship strength. The Pearson correlation value of the polyglot learning media towards pattern numeration ability is also 0.447. 1967. So that the connection between the polyglot learning media on pattern numeration ability is said to have a strong relationship. Conclusion. The use of polyglot learning media is very helpful in reducing misconception about numeracy, abilities in recognizing numbers and patterns during the preschool elementary school transition period, because using the polyglot learning media shows that it has a significant connection. This is because during the preschool elementary school transition period, children are still in the concrete pre-operational development stage, so students still need concrete symbol or objects in their learning activities. The learning media use must be varied so that it attracts children's interest in learning, is not boring, and provides students with more experience. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.